I am so excited about this one. I've seen it before. I've been using a prototype for like the last year. It is by far my favorite keyboard. Can I tell them now that Alto? Okay. Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech, and welcome back to You've Got Options. Today, I'm excited to introduce our latest mechanical keyboard, the Alto Keys K98M. The Alto Keys comes with our patented unicushion technology, a full-frame gasket mount that absorbs vibrations as you type, delivering a more refined typing sound and feel. The Alto Keys comes with linear marble switches, and these are hot-swappable, so you can customize them and get the experience exactly how you want it. In addition to the F row, we have 3 action keys that are fully customizable with the Logi Options Plus app. If you love a mechanical typing experience as much as I do, the Alto Keys is the keyboard for you. Head to logitech.com to learn more about the amazing Alto Keys today.